Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we will discuss about templates in the Canva. What is a template in Canva and how we can use this kind of the templates in the Canva. So templates, basically you can see that there is a lot of the templates that you can use in your design, and you can use that particular template in your design, and from that templates you can create any kind of content that you needed. So the templates can be categorized in the Canva into business, social media, education, videos, marketing, print product, card and invitation. Suppose if you will click on the business, so all the business related templates will be reflected here. You can choose the format of the templates. It in docs, presentation, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, whatever you want to require, you can choose from here. Suppose if you want to use the calendar, so you can easily download the calendar here. The social media content calendar you can download. Just you can check it. Open link in new tab. You can check it how it will look like. Like on Monday the blog post will be there on topic. So this will be the complete part. As the same way the flyer will also there. This is the flyers. And the same way social media coming. In the social media you can see that in the social media the reel template is also there. After that you can see here created by Canva. These are the normal static post content and mix of the post and reel content. So there are a lot of the templates are there. Suppose if you go to the workkits, the workkit is there. So in this you can see that the complete worksheet is there. That marketing workkit, sales, human resource, HR, creative, small business. There are a lot of the workkit that can be used. The small business template is also there, like grand opening, memo, business analysis chart, project tracker. So all the things is there that we can use this Canva part template. Template saves the time to creation of any design. If you want to create any kind of the design, if you use the template, so template save your time also. Now the photos are also there. And the photos, these are the stock photos that we can use in our projects. Whatever projects we are going to work on, we can use this kind of the stock photos. These are the stock photos, and we can also search for here like digital marketing. If you will search for the digital marketing related photo will become here. So these photos you can use. Browse million of high quality of digital marketing photos. You can also choose the keywords like digital, technology. On the basis of how you can categorize that, you can select here. The icons is there. There are lots of the icon is there in terms of the mails, clock. So you can use all these icons in your projects. Now the creators are there. You can follow some creators that create, like basically suppose this is the creator Canva. This is almost. When you click almost, you can see all the projects. First the project is there, like calendar. All the parts particular person has been developed will be reflected here. On the basis of that you can check how this is great, this is not great, and you can use them into your projects. So if we wrap up the template part, so template part for our business needs, whatever it can be social media, it can be marketing products, it can be print product, it can be workkit, it can be browser flyers, any kind of the material, the templates is present. You can use the same templates for creating for your brands. It can be social media post, it can be video, it can be flyers, it can be business card, it can be anything. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.